Hello.
Hello?
Is this Bree?
Yes. Who's this?
Um, so my name is Sophia. I don't think you know about me, and I just want to say I'm sorry. But do you know a guy named Alex?
Is he okay?
I mean, yeah. Like,
He,
how
that,
do you know him? He's your what?
that's my fiance. Who is this?
I've been seeing him for 6 months.
I'm sorry, what?
Yeah, we've been dating for 6 months since like June.
I don't know. I'm sorry, our wedding is in April. Who is this again? I think you're a little bit confused.
I'm sorry. I found him on Tinder, so I decided to go through his phone and I saw your contact in there. I honestly I had no idea.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
You're seeing him.
Yeah, we've been together for 6 months. He's
And he's on.
yeah, and he's on Tinder now, so he's cheating on both of us technically.
I'm sorry. I don't want you to feel like I don't believe you or anything, but do you have like pictures with him or like do you have proof that
Yeah,
he's
I
on
mean,
Tinder?
I'm gonna
I just want to
send.
make sure.
Yeah, I'll send you everything. I'm really sorry.
Okay.